Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that point C is the center of the circle. We're asked what fraction of the area of the circle is the area of this shaded region. So if you think of this circle, right, the entire circle can be thought of as 360 degrees, right? And this shaded region is formed by a 100-degree angle. So the area of the circle is going to be the angle, 100, of the shaded region divided by the angle of the entire circle, 360, right? The proportion is going to be the same because it's cutting open out of the 360 degrees of the circle, it's cutting out 100 of those degrees. What is 100 out of 360? Well, we can do some simplifications, right? Divide both sides by 10, right? It's easy enough. You just take off a 0 from both sides. So that's 10 over 36. Divide both sides by 2. We get 10 divided by 2 is 5. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And this we cannot simplify anymore. So the fraction of the area of the circle, the fraction of the area of the shaded region out of the entire area of the circle, your final answer is going to be 5/18. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.